Standard 7th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 12 PowerPoint Wizards and Templates Part 2. To add a theme on the template. First, to apply a theme to your presentation, on the Slide Master tab, in the Edit Theme group, click on Themes. Okay. And then select a theme which one you want to apply. Second, select the desired color, font, style and effects from the options given. To change the background on the template. To change the background, click on the Slide Master tab in the background group. Click on background styles and then select a background you would like to apply. Okay. Now student, click on the format background option. Here you have a fill option and in your fill option you have a 4 options: solid fill, gradient field, picture or texture field, etc. Select the options which one you want. To set the page orientation. Now student, the page orientation in a presentation slide is the way in which the rectangular slide is oriented for normal viewing while presenting. The two most common types of orientations are portrait and landscape. And these are the two formats available in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now students, portrait means what? Portrait orientation refers to the vertical design or layout of an image, document or device. And landscape refers to an image that is wider than it is tall, that is shot in a horizontal orientation. To set the page orientation for all the slides in the presentation, again on the Slide Master tab, in the Page Setup group, click Slide Orientation and then click either the Portrait or Landscape option. To add text in the footer and header. PowerPoint allows you to create headers and footers. That is, information that appears at the top and bottom of all slides. This information will typically include the name of the presenters, their affiliations, and the presentation title, slide number, and date. But other information can be added as well. However, be careful not to spoil your presentation with too much information. On the Insert tab, in the Text group, click on the Header and Footer option. A dialog box will appear. The first option available is Date and Time. If you select the Date and Time checkbox, you will be given two options: Update automatically and Fixed. The Update automatically option means that the date and time will updated every time you open the presentation. Okay, which will save you the time and effort involved in updating it manually. The Fixed option means that even if you open the presentation a month from now, the date and time will be fixed to the time when you created the header and footer. The next two options are slide number and footer. And the last option determines whether the header and footer is shown on the title slide. Now students, to display the footer content on all slides, click Apply to All. Header can be added by clicking on the Notes and Handouts option in the above box and following the same steps as above. To save the template that you have prepared, click on the Office button and select Save As. Second option also we have for save the file, save the template, quick access toolbar, and then select Save option. In the file name box, type a file name or accept the suggested file name. In the Save As type list, click PowerPoint template and then click on Save. Thank you.